In this problem, we want to know f of 10. So we can see here that f increases by 4 every single time x increases by 1. So we can build an equation, y equals mx plus b. This is the equation for a linear graph, by the way. And then we know that m is the slope, or its rate of increase. So we can replace m with 4. And we can also decrease 6 by 4 because the base would be when x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, y, or f, is equal to 2. So you have 4x plus 2 because b is the base. So we know the equation is 4x plus 2. So now, in order to find f of 10, we just plug in 10 for x. So we get 40 plus 2, which is 42.